And the Audi Group, composed of the brands Audi, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Ducati, revealing today that it posted a record profit in 2022. The company seeing more than a 16% increase in revenue and close to a 40% jump in operating profit. Joining us now for more on this is Yahoo Finance's senior reporter Pras Subramanian. So Pras, can the Audi Group keep this up given their push into EV?
That's the big question, right? So you mentioned record revenue there, record profit for the Audi Group, which is those big premium sub-brands for Volkswagen that owns the Audi Group as their parent company. They also had a strong forecast for 2023 this year as well. But while it's going on, they have to actually transition the company to an EV future. And today, CEO Markus Duesmann said that they're in the midst of the biggest product initiative in their history. They're going to have 20 new models by 2025. 10 will be all electric. And by 2026, every new model will be an EV. So that's a big transformation. And also it's happening with the company trying to stay profitable in a very competitive luxury market, German luxury market, because BMW and Mercedes are doing the same thing right now. So the question is, can they actually make these cars and make them profitable? The good thing for a company like Audi is it's part, like I said, the VW network, the VW portfolio company. So they can leverage existing platforms to do these things cost effectively and share platforms to share costs.
Let's talk a little bit more about VW, because when it comes to the transition of EVs, a lot of the pushback or a lot of the criticism has been there's simply not many affordable EVs out there. VW, though, unveiling one that's under 30,000.
This is a big deal, I think, yesterday. Late afternoon in Hamburg, Germany, they unveiled the VW ID2 All. I think it's a strange name, but basically it's a Golf-size.
ID2 All?
ID2 All, yeah.
That is strange.
I know. It's for. They're trying
really
to say.
Roll off the tongue.
No. They're trying to say that it's for everyone. I think it's just the concept name. It'll probably be called the ID2 when full production version there. So it's a compact sort of hatchback. They say a lot of actually more interior space because you don't have the tunnel there for the transmission and things like that. So this is kind of a big deal because they did what Tesla couldn't do. This is a sub $30,000 EV, right? It's going to be a front-wheel drive crossover there, hatchback. It's going to have around 280-ish miles of range, front-wheel drive. It's going to come out around come out in 2025. So that's kind of, it's a big deal, but it's only for the European market right now. We'll see if it comes to the US. I think that the thinking is that these smaller cars are more popular in Europe and other places in the world. But hey, if it's really popular, maybe it will come to the U.S. and then maybe challenge Tesla where they're not actually at, which is that sub $30,000.
That would be a starting out price, though, right? Then you have to add on the bells and whistles.
Yeah, exactly. This is like they're trying to deliver at least one model below that $30,000, or in this case, 25,000 euros in Europe.
Thank you so much, Pras Subramanian.